Welcome back to our channel, where we explore various practices that promote health and wellness. In today's video, we are diving into the beautiful world of yoga and meditation. These practices have been revered for centuries for their incredible benefits for the mind, body, and soul. So, grab your yoga mat, find a comfortable spot, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. The power of yoga. Yoga is much more than just physical exercise. It's a holistic practice that combines breath control, meditation, and various postures to promote physical strength, flexibility, and mental well-being. The benefits of regular yoga practice are countless, from reducing stress and anxiety to improving overall fitness and promoting a sense of inner peace. Different yoga poses. Now, let's take a look at some key yoga poses that you can incorporate into your practice. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and only go as far as you're comfortable. Mountain pose, Tadasana. Ground yourself, find your balance, and focus on your breath. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stretch your body and release tension in your back and legs. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Strengthen your legs and open your chest, cultivating confidence and strength. Child's pose, Balasana. Relax and surrender, allowing your body to rest and rejuvenate. Benefits of meditation. Meditation is a powerful practice that brings clarity and peace to the mind. It involves focusing your attention and eliminating the stream of thoughts that may arise. By incorporating meditation into your routine, you can experience a range of benefits, such as reduced stress, improved concentration, increased self-awareness, and enhanced emotional well-being. Now, let's take a moment to experience a short guided meditation together. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and allow yourself to fully immerse in this practice of inner stillness. Begin by taking a deep breath in and slowly exhaling. Bring your attention to the sensation of your breath flowing in and out. Notice the rise and fall of your abdomen with each inhale and exhale. Let go of any thoughts or distractions, allowing yourself to be fully present in this moment. Take a moment to gently open your eyes and bring your awareness back to the present. How do you feel? Remember, incorporating even a few minutes of meditation into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Now that we've explored the benefits of yoga and meditation, let's discuss how you can integrate these practices into your daily life. Create a dedicated space. Set up a calm and peaceful space where you can practice without distractions. Set a routine. Establish a consistent practice schedule that works for you, whether it's early in the morning or before bedtime. Start with small steps. Begin with shorter sessions and gradually increase the duration as you build your practice. Seek guidance. Consider attending yoga classes or using online resources to deepen your understanding and refine your technique. As we wrap up today's video, remember that yoga and meditation are journeys, not destinations. Embrace the process, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the many benefits that these practices have to offer. Whether you're seeking physical fitness, stress relief, or a deeper connection with your inner self, yoga and meditation can truly transform your life. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has inspired you to embark on your own yoga and meditation journey. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Until next time, namaste.